ready to get your new Cricket wireless phone up and running in a flash. Let's dive into this easy activation guide. First things first, you'll need your Cricket wireless SIM card if you just bought a new phone or are switching. It should have come with this. Carefully insert the SIM card into your new phone. Most phones have a small tray that slides out on the side or top. You might need a small tool or a paperclip to push the tiny release button. Make sure to align the SIM card correctly as indicated by the notch. Now, head over to the Cricket wireless website. You'll be looking for the Activate or Bring Your Own Phone section. If you're activating a brand new Cricket phone, the process might be even simpler, often prompting you directly on the phone itself. For this tutorial, we'll focus on the online activation. On the activation page, you'll need to provide some information. This usually includes your SIM card number, which is printed on the SIM card itself. You'll also need your account number if you're transferring service, or an existing Cricket wireless customer if you're a new customer. You'll be guided through setting up a new account. Don't forget to have your desired plan information ready. Once you've filled in all the required details and submitted them, you'll receive a confirmation. This might come via email or directly on the website. Your phone will then restart automatically, or you might be prompted to restart it yourself after it boots back up. You should see the Cricket wireless signal icons indicating you're fully connected. And there you have it. Your Cricket wireless phone is now activated and ready for you to start calling, texting, and browsing. Enjoy your seamless connection.